So it started, right? Okay. So what is data type actually? You are both from CS background, right? BTech, correct?
Yes, sir.
So you have better understanding of data type.
Yes, sir. S-
So what is it actually?
Sir, it defines what kind of data variable can store and how much memory allocated for it.
Yeah, okay. Good. Okay, correct. So yeah. So as far you have seen many type of data type in C language, int, right?
Yes,
C
sir.
and integer, like many thing, right? And Java also there are like something different syntax, correct? Programming syntax, a print off, scan off, right? Many thing, right? To print the output, you can use print off in C language. In Python also we have a different keywords, right? To print, to get the input, output, manipulate the input. So yeah, in SAP right above there are like it's very easy to understand, and it is like English based only, not that much complex. So uh, data types are described that not occupy memory. Okay, so type will describe, okay, what are the type, like it is a integer or it is a character or it is a floating or it is a decimal, like how the data type it could be, right? When you create the object of the data type, then only it will occupy some memory, correct? Now you got, right? Hello. Yeah. So suppose you are defining a class, right? When you create a object of class in oops concept, I'm saying, so you have mostly heard oops concept, very famous, right? So when you declare the class, right, um, when you create the object of class, then only it will create some memory space at the runtime to execute the program, correct? Yeah. So like that only, data type also predefined, above data type, local data types. Predefined means SAP has already provided some data type. You can use it, right? And local data type, like inside the program, you can declare your local data type, like something internal table, work area, anything, right? So yeah, in above dictionary also, DDIC also, we have some data type. Like there are some table is there, right? In that field is defined, data element is defined, domain is defined. I will explain you how you will define the data type in the DDIC. So there are some type, like elementary type, complex type, reference type. Reference type, like field symbols, right? It will not occupy the space. Suppose you are defining some character data type, right? In the reference, suppose you are taking reference, so it will take the address of the uh, reference you have given. Something, suppose you are given reference x is the um, x is the data type, and you are going to declare y as a data type, reference of x. So um, in x there will be some storage, right? Suppose there is two value, x equal to 2, Okay, in simple word I can say x equal to 2. So in x the 2 number is allocated and it will occupy some space. Now you are declaring y, right, with reference of x, and you are giving the address of x you are storing in y. So these two will be um, y equal to 2, but the memory allocation will be not happen in the y because it is the reference of x. And complex data type, there will be some complex data type. um, we can see elementary data type. Second, okay. So yeah, going to fixed length. S- yeah, this one I will say with example I can explain you. Fixed length, variable length. Variable length you can say example string, right? You don't have any limitation. Fixed length you can define, you have to define the fixed like 10 character, 5 character, I will say you. So yeah, this one only I want to come actually. What is the elementary data type? So in elementary also there are two things, fixed length and variable length. In fixed also you can see like C and character, numeric, date, time, hexadecimal package. So this is the um, definition of all data type. And string, X string is like byte sequence. Suppose you are converting some photo, right? Like images into X string, right? Signature, photo, anything you can define in X string. And yeah, so these are like elementary type. And complex type you can see structure, table type. Like you can define some structure. Structure means what? Like X structure means the group of column, right? So how you are going to structure your data, structure your data into rows and column. So in childhood we have seen, right, table creation, right? How to remember, you know, in childhood. Excel काम कर रहे हैं, काम. Suppose you have seen, right, like one one table, right? One ja one, one two ja two, two ja four, two three, see like that. Three table, four table. There are some table we are creating in the childhood to remember, right? The one, two. Do you remember or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you are giving some structure, right? Like this and like this. Okay, so you can remove this. Here also you can get 9 and 10. Oh, sorry. So here 2 twos are 4. Yeah, right. 3 3 twos are 6. Correct. Like this.
Yes,
This
sir.
is 2. Yeah. So from here also, if you'll go 2 3 are 6. Means in any ways this is column. This is row. Right. So this is structure actually. So like that, something you can create a structure. Basically, you will create a structure to store the rows data, right? Data in to a column like any structure like name. roll number, mark, percentage, any column you have created, and you have saved the data in the structure bit. So table type, also reference type. Reference type is very useful in the OOPS concept, right? Data reference to variable, object reference to variable. So these are the fixed. Again, same thing actually. Yeah, here you can see the integer I, floating f, p, like that you can define a string as string. Yeah. So complex type, you can see here, above contains no predefined complex data types. So you have to create, right, by using the elementary reference and complex data type. You can create the structure, and same for the internal table also. You can create it. Yeah, so this is the local data type, like how you can declare the local data type. Types here will be the name of the field and length you can give, and types, and what is the type of data type, like character. So here you can see example, right? Type name. So here it will store the name with character types. This is the data type. So by defining this, it will not store. Okay, memory will be not allocated. Only it will say in the name variable you can store character data type up to 20. For storing it, you have to create the object of this data type. So object of the data type, you can see work area in SAP here. Um, I will explain you in coding part actually. 1 minute. Yeah. So this is one of the example. So these are the some report program. Okay. Uh, Here explain like how you can declare your data type, and yeah, here types my text 10, type C, like character type of this variable, right? This is the data type. Here you can store any value. So you have to define data text type my text. Okay, you can see, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So here you can understand, right? Like types my text 10, type C. So this is the type of data type, and here data text type my text. So here like object of the data type, it is created as a text. In text only it is going to store the data, and write is the statement to display that value.
Yes,
Got
sir.
it, right? Yeah. Okay, so here data object contains the data with the above program. Yeah, the same thing I have told, right? What is the data object? Data object contains the data with which SAP program works at the runtime. Like at the runtime only, it will create the mm, object of the data type, and it will execute it will do the manipulation of program, like what will be the output, and it will display. So this is some of data object, like a named data object, predefined dynamic data object, literals. Yeah, I can see here literals is like yeah, you can see literals. Here is the example of literals, right? Like directly it is passing the value. Okay. and it is display right numbers, so number literals. Character is like, this is actually stored in the string, that I can explain you literals, how to work with the literals. Yeah. Yeah, same thing, only in detail between how, what will be the length and what is decimal type, I will explain you while writing the code. Just I want to show you what are the, while writing the code, this terms you can hear, right? So at that time, you can find out this is the definition for it.
So,
Yeah, you can see like variable, constant, interface work area. I will explain you this interface work area, text symbol also. Yeah, so here is the detail, like what is the text symbol. Text symbols, like, you can see um, anywhere we can use that, inside the program, like title, heading, some, and also some symbols you can display, and color change. Yeah, that one I will explain you how it could be. Let me go further. Variables. So variables also two type. One is constant, and one is, no, sorry, variable is only one type here. Constant and variables, there are two, right? The constant, in constant, constant, while declaring the constant, where is the constant? This one constant. So you can't change the value of constant. Whenever you're declaring the constant, you can't change the value inside the program at the runtime. But for variables, we can change it. Okay, many time we can change it. So there are many type of variables. You can see, like, a single value, double value, range value, static value. Static value means, by default it will uh, assign some value. Okay, I will explain you stepwise, so not don't I will not make confusion. Variables are named data object that you can declare statically using declarative statement or dynamically while a program is running. They allow you to store changeable data under the particular name within the memory area of the program. That means you can change the value of variable at any point of time. This one only you can say. So you can declare the value statically using following statement. So data, by using the data keyword, these are the keywords you can declare your variable data statics, right? And class data mostly we are using in oops concept. Parameters we are using in the, like, user can give the value input parameter. I will tell you this. And select option, range, like, range values you can give it in the variable. So, and also you can change the value at any point of time. Constant, you can't change the value. Okay, it is fixed only. So here are some example, like constant pi type. Here example, this is 3.141598. So this is fixed actually. You can't change it.
yes.
So predefined, yeah, size, the structure for the system variable, like date, program. I will tell you in the runtime this one. And this is the example. You can see, yeah, here you can see type. I have explained you data type, right? This same one is data type. Like statement you can use, some, if you want to declare any reference of another variable. I will explain you how to do this difference. Yeah. So yeah, this is the report program comment. So how to give the comment in the program? Okay, so there are two things. One is star. Okay, star at the beginning you can give. Okay, and double double colon at any point you can give. So it will, after that you will write anything. So it will be part at a comment like it will not execute, just for the information in the program. Yeah, this is the mm, example of structure, how you define the structure inside your program. So there are type of structure: nested, flat, deep, right? So nested, flat, and deep. So structure inside the structure, that is called um, like deep structure. Okay, nested with like suppose header and item, both are created within one structure, but they are linked. Like the linked means link, how you can say, it is linked like association, you can say, right? Foreign key relationship, like that. It is linked actually. I will with example only I can explain you this. Flat means normal structure, whatever you are creating. And parameters, I have said you, this is the data type for giving the input. Single values you can give in the parameter. Write statement is used to display the data, display the output. That's all. Outputting in the screen. Okay. Range, select option is range. Field symbols is very important also. But this is also like nowadays these are like basic only. Okay, but nowadays many keywords and how to declare the work area and data type, it is dynamical actually, like Python. Previously in C we are declaring first and we are creating the object of the data type, and we are doing the calculation and displaying. But nowadays Python, within one line system can understand what is the data type. Suppose you are giving number, so system
So,
automatically it will identify this is hello.
yes,
Yeah,
sir.
hello. Yeah. So system in Python language, right? System automatically identify this is the number or character or numeric and decimal, anything, right? And it will do the calculation and will display the output, right? Hi, Ali, you
Yes,
know,
sir.
right?
Yes,
Python
sir.
nowadays. So this is like basic only I'm explaining. Okay.
Mm.
So, but right now, very advanced ABAP also. From basic, I'm explaining. So, yeah, just I will move fast only. Assigning value, move right to clear, like move, like you will move data from one variable to another variable, one structure to another structure. Then you can use move. Right to, suppose you are writing means you are displaying the output to some value, like two means suppose you are giving uh, date, right? So writing to you will use to display in the MMSDYY or SDDMMS. That's syntax actually. Clear is used to clear the value of work area or like fill symbols, anything.
Yes.
Fill symbols we are using unassign, not clear.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
that I have not mentioned here. So now these are, yeah, this is also example for is clear. Yeah, thank you for this. Now, yeah, let's move. Yeah, that's on. Now I will log in my system. So only half hour I will take something and then I will start. Okay. Uh, which system actually I forgot also. Okay. So you are getting right. There is no challenging of understanding. You can ask. Okay, I can explain deep also, but you have already some background. That's why I'm going like high speed. Okay. So SE38. But if you want ask, then I can explain you. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
right now also you can clear your all programming doubts. Hi Ali,
Yes, sir.
my first program. So you know this T code is to write the program SE38. Okay, T code is SE38. Already exist. Okay, okay. Let me start with demo only. Demo Ankur 01. Okay, create. Yeah, my first program. Okay, so let's go to executable. So here is the. I will explain you. Leave me 1 minute. So SE38 is the T code to create the program. Okay, let me go from beginning. So here is the source code, variable, variant, attributes, text element, and documentation. If you are creating program, right? So this is source code. This is variant means suppose you don't want to give any input, right? And you have saved some input. Okay, so you can
Yes, sir.
select that and run it the program. So this is used for variant, attribute, and text element. You can give this one attributes, like attributes of the program. I can go one text element, like text element, whatever the text element you have used inside
Yes,
the
sir.
program. Documentation of the program, i- why, for what purpose this program is created, and you have maintained some documentation. Suppose I'm going to source create, right? And here you can see here your created your id. Okay, and here is the type, attributes type. What attributes type is executable program, include program is not executed. Okay, it's just like program, it will not execute. Executable program only execute and display the output and receive the input.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, hello. Network is down or what? Something. Okay. I think some network issue. For whom actually?
Sir, for me actually.
Okay. Okay. So yeah. So attributes, right? In attributes, executable program is a executive, like it will execute. After execution you will give the input and you will receive the output, but include program it will not. Okay, so there is module pool program, like there will be like some screen, right? You will manually create your own screen. SAP has not it will not provide any screen. You have to create your own screen, and you can create your T code and run it. And function group, yeah, I will explain one by one this. Okay, I will go for the function group module first, but this is the basic concept. Let me go to executable program. This is authorization group you can give. So what is authorization group? Like different module having different department and different branch, right? So one branch can't be access to another branch program. So at that time you can go give the authorization group. So under this group only this program can be executed, like reverse mass reversal in FI we can use, right? And you here you can bank statement. So this will be the standard. Okay, so you can give this group. Okay, so what happen, like suppose you are creating one program which is related to bank statement, only the bank statement in this program can view, so you can assign this group. In some places we are creating own group, like own custom authorization group, and we can do accordingly as per design. So yeah, this is BAP cloud. Yeah, this is also one of the features, right? If it is not, I have explained you cloud, right? So you can select the cloud development, right? But here I'm selecting standard ABAP only. Here is the package. So package is like in which package you want to store this program. So basically package is used like suppose for material you are creating list of program which is used for the module. So you can store in module like ZMM and ZSD, ZFI. And yeah, otherwise you can give one common Z development package you can store. If it is related to module, you can give like as per the business and client standard. But package is used to store the object. Okay, in this package, this program I'm going to use, but here I want to use the local object. So what does it mean local object? Like it will not transportable from one system to another system. Suppose you are creating program in development, you can't move this object to production in live system. If you are storing object in local, it is not recommended in live system.
Yes.
Right. So if you'll select is local, it will store in my local system. Okay. But and it will not ask the package also. Okay. But it will store in the package. I will show you the package. In local package it will store. Uh, See here, temporary package. Okay. This is standard temporary package. It is stored in temporary package. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So but in live system you have to store in package where it will it will move from development to production under the TR. It will ask the TR also. This TR is transportable TR,
Transport request.
transport request. So this is all about your testing program, system program, customer production program, SAP standard programs. Suppose I am taking customer production program, right? So like this. So yeah, I hope so you already know about this. You have explored many things, right? So how to activate, how to check, save, check, activate. So here I can tell you parameters, right? Parameters I have said like P. Here suppose I am giving name, type, character, right, P. P. So here parameter means P. Okay, so here you can give text program anything, and that one only you want to display, so it will display. So this is one thing. Okay, now I will explain you variant. Okay, suppose you want to create the variant of, okay, display. Okay, you want to create the variant. Okay, so this is the program. For this program you want to create test, test. Okay, suppose here you will give test 1 2 3, right? Attributes. So here you will say variant. How to create the variant? So this variant, if you want to run this in the background process, means you are scheduling this program in the job. So every night this program automatically it will trigger and it will execute. So you will create one variant and it you will save it. So automatically it will do your activities and you will save it. Now you have created the variant, right? Attributes also you can see here, like hide, protected, required field. Required field means you have should give the required, and also here are some input field. Okay. Mm, let me go. Attributes I have said, right? This is the attributes of the program. Text element. Okay, so here text element, you know, right? Text element, suppose I'm giving here name and save it, activate it. Okay, suppose I'm going to execute this program. See here name is coming. So this is the text element. Here radio button is text element. Now you understood. For a text element for displaying the description of the field in the selection screen. This is the selection screen. Now here variant I have created, right? This is the variant, text variant. And if I will execute, it will display the output. So now you got, right? Now anything you can write in your program and you can work accordingly. So this is the parameter, input parameter. Okay. For output, if you want to do manipulation, you can take check some demo, right? Program and you can work. I will give you one demo program. I don't want to write 10 because it will be time consuming. But for the basic I have created or not, I don't know. Let me check. Yeah, I have created. Who is who is yawning too much? Hello, हेलो. क्या हुआ भाई, इतना yawning ले रहे हो? हेलो. See here, okay? I will execute this. You can see here heading, previously one heading is coming, okay? Before my first program, I will show you.
Yes, sir.
I will show you. Mm, okay, here my first program it is showing, right? I don't want it, okay, because already I have My first program is there. So no standard page heading. Okay, then you can see it is not there. My first program only one time. Okay, so now you can see here, this is the data declaration part, right? And this is the initialization, like I have initialized the value, I have passed the value, and just write. So English, like just it is just this syntax, like a English concept only, like not much difficult, right? So
Yes, sir.
as X string, right? This is X string, I have said, right? Like images. Suppose I will show you, 1 second. uh, it is not Google, right? Google I want to open. 1 minute. I will. Oh, yes. Image. Sorry. Image converter into X string. If something image I will get na, then I can do. Sorry, this one not. Yeah, select the image. Okay. Suppose I am going to select this image, convert. Now I will open this in Notepad. I don't want this actually. JPG image to yes string. यार ये पूरा program here, all program they are giving. Yeah, here I don't want program. I want only image. Online image converter. Online image convert to, yeah, raw. Yeah, raw data. Hmm, how to convert this? Even this one also nothing. Okay. Actually, it's not getting. Okay. I want something like number, and it will convert into images. So like this, in your system, and you can write program. This is like string, right? Some information you are giving, and here it is declaring as a integer number. So it is displaying 5. Like that, whatever the values is there, and here suppose D is T means time, correct? And here D is here giving T time. Okay, time format 10 14 53. Okay. Yeah, so this one only I want to explain data type. Yeah, hello.
Yes, sir.
So and this is the data type for your eh, like I will tell you 1 minute. 02 my second program, local object. So here I said, right, this colon, after colon whatever the information you will give, and that is for the information of that specific data type. Okay, so it will be not executable, it is like just a comment. And here you are declaring the data type, and here you are passing the value. Yeah, here this one string, right? And this one, like, let's execute it. String having like unlimited, right? Here you can see string, there is no length actually. One more thing I want to show you. Yeah, for integer, right? So for integer is 1 2 3, it is passing here, correct? And here the integer is this one. Okay, so here I already mentioned it. So if you will execute it, so how the memory allocation from left to right, right? For but for integer from right to left. Okay, yeah, for floating also right to left. For package decimal is also left, right to left. Okay, for rest from left to right. So this only difference I want to show you. Okay, in now you got it. You can execute and you can check, and you can also you can type in your system once. Okay, then you will get clear picture. Just do some R&D. So this is the right statement program, and color 3. Okay, suppose if I am giving color 6. Okay, then what could be?
Another color.
Another color will come, and there is a skip 2. Skip 2 means 2 line it will skip. Okay,
Yes.
then only next statement, I think so you already know this, right?
Yes.
Yeah, see there 6 means something different color, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so yeah, this will help you somewhat for with the basic learner. Okay. Yeah, that's all. Tomorrow I will start another thing actually. A little bit faster in different. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.